shashok mi kai jo school ba ne hu keno badai kinong yelam ke ne hu su assistant professor ka school ba North Eastern Hills University jong ka Hindi department u Dr. Alok Singh henen ka sing ka absau tre ke yong la shashua ha ka office trikam jong u ha school ba ne hu ha ki riu ngut ki brio abakran chila batai ku bor na kalyang u Dr. Alok Singh ule thu ba henen ka singi ha ka por kumba sanduna e nreungun ki samla pule apo ka jingilam jong u president ke nehu su kila wanrung shaka kamra trekam jong u bat khang ya ka jingkhang akaba kini ki samla pule kila sho yo u shushu ule thu mana kalyang jong u ula ujor da ke jahar khanang bakum kini ken ja shu hadien ula kirpa ru bakin penbiang ki bor yada namar usngau tieng ilade watla shim la le e ru
and development of the region, not to stop anything. Means today also if something has happened, it doesn't mean that being a teacher, say the moment in the morning, although I had so many other engagements, so I was busy attending this meeting, this thing, that thing, so many things. And then when by chance in the afternoon I saw a video clip wherein he was interviewed, I thought, hey, what is this video clip? When I noticed, then I realized that what is this is happening. Because the first reaction could have been knee-jerk that we will not take class, we will not do anything. But still, whatever engagements are there, we are for the students. We are for the university fraternity. We are for the society here, for which we are liable for. We are getting our salaries and all. And we are liable to work for these people. What else? Now, if they misbehave, assault in the office chamber, which is really a very, very scary scenario. If you just think over it, just close your eyes, just think that whatever has happened, is it for the good? Means what do they want? Do they want just to scare, and they want that the Meghalaya, we know that it is considered to be in so many parameters, it is just after Bihar, sorry, I shouldn't have said, that it is lagging behind in India. So with this kind of thoughts, will they be able to take the Meghalaya forward? Means it is the responsibility of the government also, that where is law and order? Means this boundary, it doesn't mean that law and order is only outside the boundary and the responsibility of the state government. Inside also it is law and order, which is supposed to be maintained. And don't take action if you don't want to, but at least tell them that this is the community which is serving for building the character, building the personality, building your generation over which the future is going to miss. What are we looking for? A generation who is becoming aggressive. If you become aggressive here, then can't anybody become aggressive there? We have taken the candle march day before yesterday, in support of say the people, those who have suffered in Pahalgam. Why so? Because we are very attentive and very good society. We don't want anything. So we want everything in a peaceful manner. But till the peace is there, till the affection with the student and all is there, that's what is the basic of everything. And we expect that everybody should do his role. Whether it is media, whether it is police, whether it is government, whether it is administration, whether it is students, anybody, they only do whatever role is assigned to them. We don't want any favor or any advantage. We want that at least there should be an atmosphere wherein free and fair delivery of the good by way of teaching, by way of showing how we behave, how we come up should be there. We are not gundas, we are not criminals. We are here only for the purpose of teaching, for which we are involved in. And we have been doing that. If somebody will stop and somebody wants to claim that this guy is involved in this purpose, this guy is involved in this ideology, this guy is doing this thing good, it is their mindset. Whereas we, if you just say, I don't know who is the head of the department here, that how many classes he has not taken. We are responsible for our assigned duties, our assigned classes, our assigned research students, our assigned various responsibilities. So just friends, what I want to say, that this message also should go, that we are not against our students. We are for the students, we are for the university, we are for the society. But don't think that whatever you are thinking is only right, what other person thinks is all rubbish. And in the process, you try to overpower a person who doesn't have police protection, who doesn't have anything. He is a person staying in his house, doing small activities. I don't know, somebody asked me today, just 1 hour before, is he married? So that at least he will get food in the house. And I said, sorry, I don't know. Because we are so much involved in our activities. Now he is cooking himself. Just now he said he has not taken food. For what? We are not against anything. We are for everything. But
incident that Nehu Su president and 5 members coming in my chamber and close my door, and I say ki what happened. So he says ki no, not anything, please sit down and don't speak anything. And then 2 person that take hold my hand and then beat me, and that continuously that beating me, and in my hand, in my leg, in my that head is that beating me. And many times I say, "Okay, what happened? Please tell me what happened. Don't speak anything. You're doing here politics." So I say, I'm feeling very bad because I'm not doing anything wrong work, and then some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad? Please decide all, because I am mentally and healthily and physically I am very feeling bad. I'm not properly speak because as a teacher I'm not that imagine this type incident in my life. So please, I asked, please provide security because I am feeling not good. As a teacher, I'm not that mentally feeling good. So I say, please for me give justice, because as a teacher, anyone come in the new campus and beat the teacher, this is not good. So all people, I say, I am wrong, please say not. I am wrong, then I listen all things. But no any reason you come the office and then beat me. This is not good for me. And last I say, please give the justice, because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem, and someone coming beating in India. This is not my culture, this is not my thought. Please forgive me and justice be provided for me.
What time happened to school?
4:45
Yesterday?
yesterday.
Okay, so did you give the FIR?
Yeah, because that yesterday I am going civil hospital and check it my all things, that is my hand also, so my things, and civil hospital going, and then some injection given me and X-ray. This is not anything, because he is beating me only hand and in my backside and my leg and head. So in my chamber, that one paper cutting that knife, and then my neck, the paper cutting knife, and then I say I kill you. This incident not for me. Please, or I pray that provide security, because I am feeling not very well, because this incident mentally and healthily very weak. So that's
Did you file any FIR? against this?
Yeah, against today morning because last that police protection and police inform because I am not going I am not that speak the voice then that in future anyone that can this type incident do that. So I thought because my mother is also police so then he says you are FIR and then my morning FIR and then police take it.
Do you know them personally?
Yeah, some that face I know them.
Right?
Do you know their name?
His name is President Sandy South and 5 members. This incident. Many times I say within my mentally out of control. So then I say कि I am invite PC office and say something what happened in my chamber. Please listen and then you decision take. New president says कि I am not coming PC office. You come to my office.
So you'll meet them today.
Yeah, today just Dr. Alok Singh.